Biggy and Crossy, the Mallards of Squirrel Lane. Welcome to Squirrel Lane, a magical place where nature thrives, and animals of all kinds come to visit. Among our many delightful guests are two special mallard ducks, Biggy and Crossy. Biggy, the handsome male with his emerald green head, and Crossy, the graceful female with her beautiful brown feathers, have become cherished members of our backyard wildlife community. This is their story of interaction and friendship with the other animals in our backyard. Biggy and Crossy first appeared one sunny morning in early spring. As they waddled into the yard, they were greeted by a cacophony of sounds and sights. The air was filled with the chirping of birds, the rustling of leaves, and the distant chatter of squirrels. Their very first encounter was with the resident squirrels of Squirrel Lane. These nimble creatures were always on the move, darting up and down trees, leaping from branch to branch, and scavenging for nuts. Biggy and Crossy watched them with wide eyes, intrigued by their agility and playful energy. One squirrel, a particularly curious one named Nutty, noticed the newcomers. With a twitch of his bushy tail, Nutty cautiously approached the ducks. Biggy, ever the brave one, quacked softly in greeting, while Crossy observed with a gentle curiosity. Nutty, undeterred by the duck's presence, continued to edge closer. He was particularly interested in the corn and bird seeds scattered around the yard. Biggy and Crossy stood still, unsure of what to make of this bold squirrel. Nutty made a quick, deft movement, grabbing a piece of corn before scampering away. This first encounter set the tone for their future interactions. Biggy and Crossy soon realized that the squirrels were harmless and quite entertaining. They watched as Nutty and his squirrel friends performed acrobatic feats, leaping from tree to tree and darting across the yard in search of food. Over the next few days, Biggy and Crossy grew more accustomed to the squirrels. They learned to share their space, each species respecting the other's presence. The squirrels continued their playful antics, sometimes coming close to the ducks but never causing any harm. It was fascinating to watch Biggy and Crossy adapt to their new environment and the lively company of the squirrels. They began to feel at home in Squirrel Lane, their initial wariness replaced by a sense of curiosity and acceptance. This first encounter with Nutty and the other squirrels marked the beginning of Biggy and Crossy's journey in Squirrel Lane. It was a journey filled with discovery, friendship, and the simple joys of life in a harmonious backyard community. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and share. Thank you for watching.